Hello everybody and welcome to NeonAI tutorials. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to use the NeonAI bot. This is the real tag of NeonAI bot. At NeonAI bot. NeonAI bot provides a decentralized security engine operating at its finest. So when you start your bot, you press /start. This is the first command you will always be pressing when using this bot. And you get this welcoming message that tell you, welcome, and shows you the commands. By pressing /help, you get the list of commands. And the commands are as follows. We have /AI plus contract. It's a custom analysis, an LLM model that audit and review a contract, smart contract, Solidity smart contract exactly, to be more exact. So what it does, it fetch the data for the contract, read it, and give you a review about it. And you can also ask follow-up questions. So like /AI, how much is the liquidity, or is it safe trade? And the AI will tell you some answers or verdicts. So it's more as a custom analysis. In the future it will learn more about individuals. So for now it's more general. The next command is /PDF. And then you press /PDF followed by the contract address, and you get 15 pages of an audit of a contract, a review, in-depth review. After that you have /audit and /holders. They work similarly. By pressing /audit or /holders plus followed by the contract address, and you get a /audit gives you an audit, some information about the token. /holders gives you information about the holders and key insights of that. I will be showing you all the commands later. And then you have the gas function or command, and it's my favorite. It's very accurate actually. It shows you the price of ETH, the price of gas, price if you want to swap or transfer, and it's very accurate. You can check it by yourself. If it's not accurate, I will delete this video. The next command is /info. It's info about the NeonAI token. And then the next command is /account, where you see your account engagement, your wallet that you have set, and also if you haven't set a wallet, you see a link. You press set wallet, and then you will get prompted to set the wallet by pressing /activate. I will be going through all the commands and what they do in this video. Alright, let's get started by using the /audit function. You press /audit, typo, and then you paste your contract and send it to the token, to the bot, and it will analyze it right away. And in just few seconds, maybe 1 second, it gives me this answer, and it shows a review about the token, a score of the token, if it has proxy or the liquidity and the lock. And also you can press the link down below that says DEX tools to get prompted directly to DEX tools. Let's do the next function now. It's /holders and followed by the contract address. In just milliseconds I got back this answer. It shows me the top holders and also some key insights about the holders, why this matters, and also, as you can see down below, the link of the lock for the tokens. And let's go with the next function, which will be, let me check here, it's /gas. It's my favorite function. So this function just gives you right away the ETH price, the GUI, and the swap price as for now, and it's actually very accurate, as I told you before. This is my favorite function. Let's go to the next command, which will be /info. And this command shows you some info about NeonAI itself, the links for NeonAI, the total supply, and so on and so forth. And next one is /account, and it shows you the total engagements, the wallet address that you have assigned, AI conversations, and so on so forth. And now I will be showing you the /activate function, which is the new function to activate your account to be eligible for staking. You press /activate and this prompts up, and then you press the button, you press yes, you get redirected to the website. You press connect, and after you're connected, you can use the slash account to check what address is it connected. And if you have connected a wrong address, just press slash activate again, and then it will be doing that for you, and you can add the new address. Now I'm searching for the slash AI function because it takes time. I will be showing you a previous instance. So here, as you can see, I press slash AI followed by the contract address, and I got this long answer from the LLM itself analyzing the smart contract, the Solidity smart contract itself. And it shows a lot of information, so it's very helpful. It's in-depth review. For the next function, it will be the slash PDF, and this is how you do it. Alright, so I went back to one of my previous instances. You press slash PDF followed with the contract address, and this gives you an in-depth review of the token you have audited. 15 pages full of important and relevant information for you to make a decision in the future if you want to invest or not. So let me show you the PDF and how it looks like. Actually, after a few minutes, I don't know exactly how many minutes, but after between 1 to 5, you get this PDF. And this is the PDF itself. You can see it's packed with important information and relevant information. This is our precious creation. Yes, so I think it's all the functions or the commands that we have right now. The bot itself, it will have different UI